Good morning children. Welcome to Mahila Samaja online classes. Dear children, today we are going to learn patterns lesson. Dear children, observe these patterns in your textbook. Look at the patterns, fill in the boxes following the same patterns. See, observe, they are given some patterns. Here they are given first box 2 arrows. It's showing upward. Okay children. Another one box they are given 2 arrows again. This is in position sleeping lines like position. Sleeping arrows. Again next box they are given first pattern only. Above it shows upwards arrows and here sleeping arrows. Next in this boxes also you have to complete it. Again they are given one box upward and sleeping, again upward arrows and sleeping arrows. Again you have to complete these patterns in these boxes also. Right here upward arrows. Understood children? And next box you have to complete it sleeping arrows. And another one box also you have to write upward arrows. And next box you have to write here sleeping arrows. Understood children? This is very simple. Just you have to complete these patterns. How they are given? First 4 boxes like this you have to continue to write the patterns. Okay. Second B, they are given 1 star in your textbook. See children, 1 star they are given. Another one box they are given 2 circles. How many circles are there? Here in this box also 1 circle, here also 1 circle. 1 star after 2 circles they are given. Like this only this patterns continues. Again they are given star. Understood children? Here is also star. And again you have to write here 2 circles. After 1 star they are given 2 boxes also, circles they are given. You have to complete this pattern in this box also, same pattern you have to complete it. And last box you have to write here star again. Okay, like this also C main they are given another one pattern stars. See children, here 2 dots are there. And in next box they are given 3 dots. Here 4 dots. And next box they are given 5 dots. Like this also you have to write here 6 dots. Okay. Next box you have to write 1 dots are increasing. No. So you have to write here 7 dots. Okay children. Next here you have to write 8 dots. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And next box you have to write 8 is there means next box you have to write increase 1 dot means 9 dots. You have to write here 9 dots. Like this only you have to complete in your classwork. Like this only, after that you write here, color it. Color these dots. And next pattern they are given A, D main they are given A. In this box they are given B. Again they are repeating this pattern A. Next again B they are given repeating B, 1A, 1B, 1A, 1B. Like this also you have to continue it. A, B, another one box you have to complete it. A and then B. Understood children? Is it very simple? Yes children, it is very, you are enjoying no to write A, B and dots and stars like this arrows. It is very simple. See children, here in E main they are given 1 flower. Next box also they are given only 1 leaf. After that only 1 leaf. Next box again they are repeating this flower. Okay, next you have to write in these 3 boxes also repeating figures only. See here leaf, again you write here leaf. Like this you have to write it. Write 1 line and write like this leaf. And you have to do color. Flower also just write 1 circle. After that write like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 petals are there for this flower. And do it color for red. And leaves you have to do color green color. Okay. Like this only patterns are continuing. See children, it is not in your textbook, but I am written some 2 extra. Here 1 ball is there. Another 1 box bat. Here 1 ball, 1 bat. One ball, one bat. One ball, no boxes, other boxes are there. Just to complete it like this. Okay, next here, one mango, one apple. One mango, one apple. Like this also write here, mango. Mango also very simple, easy to write. Observe how I am writing. Like this only write. Understood, children? One mango after one apple. Here, mango, apple after mango. Understood, children? Now you do color for these fruits. Okay. Next main they are given. Identify the patterns in the numbers and fill in the empty boxes. Here they are given some empty boxes. You have to complete it. Now you see 3 after 6 they are given. Now you know everybody 3 ones are table. Yes, now we write here 3 ones are table. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24, 3 nines are 27, 3 tens are 20. Very good. Everybody learn no tables, children. Every day I am informing to practice the tables. So you have to do practice every day tables. Now they are given another one pattern. 5 after 10 they are given. Now you see 5 plus 5 10. 10 plus 5 15. 15 plus 5 20. 20 plus 5 25. 25 plus 5 30. 30 plus 5 35. 35 plus 5 40. 40 plus 5 45. 40 plus 5 50. Like this also you can write, or you can say the table. Everybody know 5 ones are table, children? Yes, I know everybody learned 5 ones are table. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 sixes are 30, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 40, 5 nines are 45, 5 tens are 50. Like this also you have to write another one pattern. See here little bit difference is there. These are two tables, you can say easily tables and you can write. But here they are given little bit different. See, observe children, 28. 28 before number is 27. So they are given before number. Okay. 27 before number is? Yes, you are correct. 26. 26 before number is 25. 25 before number is 24. 24 before number is 23. 23 before number is 22. 22 before number is 21. 21 before number is 20. And 20 before number is 19. Is it very simple, children? Yes. Like this also another one pattern they are given. They are given only one number. Before numbers they are given backward number. Here you observe, children, 40, 36, 32 they are given. 42, 36, how much difference is there? Count it. 40 before number is? Yes, you are correct. 39. 39 before number is 38. 38 before number is 37. 37 before number is 36. Now 4 numbers are backward number. You have to write here 4 numbers backward. 40 backward number is 36. 36 minus 4, 32. 32 minus 4, 28. 28 minus 4 is 24. 24 minus 20 and 20 minus 4, 16. 16 backward 4 numbers, 12. 12 backward 4 numbers is 8. 8 minus 4, 4 only. Okay, you have to write like this. See, children, in your textbook they are given this much only. You have to write now. Identify the patterns and write the numbers. Already you are written, no? Up to here you are written. Now write here 20 plus 10, 20. Everybody know 10 ones, huh? Now we write here 10 plus 10, 20. 20 plus 10 threes are 30, 10 fours are 40, 10 fives are 50, 10 sixes are 60, 10 sevens are 70, 10 eights are 80, 10 nines are 90, 10 tens are 100. Like this you write. Now again this pattern is repeating. 4 ones are table they are given. You have to write here 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24, 4 7s are 28, 4 8s are 32, 4 9s are 36, 4 10s are 40. Understood, children? This is the pattern lesson. Is it very simple? Yes. Now you practice like this. Next chapter is critical thinking. This pattern lesson is only one page. So I am going to continue this critical thinking also. See, observe, children. Critical thinking. Note, the questions given here are of higher order thinking skills. Higher order thinking skills means this is HEARTS. HEARTS means you have to think and write these questions. Some students may find it little difficult to solve them. Parents, teachers can help the students solve them if required. Here is little bit you have to think and write. These are the HEARTS questions. So you have to think and write. Here I am written all these sums in my book. Now observe it. Select two numbers from 30, 35, 40, 45, 50 which when added give the sum 75. Now observe it. Select two numbers from 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. These are the numbers they are given. You have to select these two numbers. When added give the sum is 75. If you are adding two numbers it will give 75. Which number will give to 75 if you are adding two numbers means 30 plus 35 is 65. If you are adding 35 plus 40 it will give 75. Let us see 30 plus 35. Add it. 0 plus 5. 5 only. 3 plus 3. 6. No, it won't come. We should get the sum. When we added give the sum 75. It won't come 75, just it will come 65. Now let us see, next we will add these two numbers. Now 35 plus 40. See here 5 plus 0, 5. 3 plus 4, 7. Yes children, we got 75. Now right here, when added give the sum is 75. Now this is the correct answer. 35 plus 40 equals 75 is the correct answer. Got it children? How to do? This one we won't get the correct answer. Here is the correct answer. Tick it and write here 75. You get the correct sum is 75. Next problem. Anjali picked up two numbers. If one of the numbers was 99. Anjali picked up two numbers. So if one of the numbers was 99. What was the other number? Yes, the sum of the two numbers was 100. Circle the other number given in the box. See, observe children. Here in this box they are given 2, 3, 1, 5, 4, 0. These are the numbers. Anjali picked up the numbers. One of the numbers was 99. Anjali picked up 99. So, what was the number? The sum of the two numbers. If you are adding this 99, the sum of two numbers was 100. If you are adding 2 means it will becomes, if you are adding 99 plus 2, 100, 101. So we won't get 100. This is wrong. So if you are adding 3 means 199 after 100, 101, 102. This is also wrong. So the sum of the two numbers was 100. It should be 100, no? So if you are adding 3 also, you will get 101, 102. Like this also, if you are adding 1 means 99 plus 1. How much children? Yes, 9 plus 1, 10. You are correct. 9 plus 1, 9 keep in your mind. Keep in your finger 1. 9 after 10. 10 means write here 0, take carry 1. 9 plus 1, 10. You will get 100. 99 plus 1, 100. Yes. Circle the other number given in the box. Now which one if you are adding getting 100? Yes. We should circle do circle for this one. If you are adding 1 to this 99, we will get the 100. Circle the other number given in the box. We should circle for this 1. If you are adding 99 plus 1, we will get the number 100. So, this is the correct answer. Next, third one is write the missing numbers in the boxes such that the number along the rows, columns and the diagonals add to 15. If you are adding this one, you will get the 15. So if we write this number, if you are adding all these numbers, we should get 15 only. So 9 plus 2 plus 9, 11, 11 plus 4, we will get 15. Yes, like this also, 7 plus 5, how much children? Yes, you are correct, 12. 12 plus 3, 12 after 13, 14, 15. This is also, if you are adding these three numbers, we will get 15. 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 8, here also we will get 15. If you are adding diagonally also, diagonally means crossly we are adding means, then also we will get 15. 6 plus 5, yes, 11, 11 plus 4, 15. If you are adding like this also, we will get 15. If you are adding like this also, we will get 15. 8 plus 5, 13, 13 plus 2, 15. Got it children? Yes, we will get the 15. If you are adding all these sides, okay, diagonally also we will get 15. Okay, like this you have to write. Next, what says, Bina said, I am thinking of a number that has the same ones and tens. Understood children? Listen carefully. Bina said, I am thinking of a number that has the same ones and tens. Same ones and tens. Here which number is ones and tens are same? Yes, 66 only. Ones also same number and tens also same number. Here 3 and 9 are the different numbers. We won't get the same numbers. They are given some same ones and tens. Here is the two numbers are same. 6 ones place also 6 and tens place also 6. Ones also 6, tens also 6. So the sum of the digits is 12. If you are adding the ones and tens, then also we will get 12. Yes, if you are adding 6 plus 6, 12, we will get the 6. What number is Bina thinking of? Yes, you should circle the correct number. Which one is correct number? Yes, do circle for this. Circle the correct number. Understood children? You have to identify these clues, what they are given. This is only hearts. See here only, first clue only. I am thinking of a number that has the same ones and tens. Same ones also, ones and tens. They are same. So this is only correct. Next, circle the correct number using the clues. It is greater than 44. See, circle the correct number. It is greater than 44. It is less than 52. Observe it, they are given some numbers. It is an even number. You say it when you count by fives. See, observe it children. Greater than 44. All these numbers are greater than 44. 45 is also greater than 44. 47 also greater than 44. 48 also, 50 also and 51 also. All these numbers are greater than 44. It is less than 52. Less than 52 means all these numbers are below 52 only. Less than 52 only, no? So, it is an even number. So, this is second clue. All these numbers are below 44 and less than 52. So, greater than 44 numbers only is there and less than 52 numbers only is there. So, it is an even number. Let us see which one is even number. Yes, 45 is the odd number. 47 also odd number. 48 and 50 are the even numbers. 51 also odd number. These two are the even numbers. Let us see in these two. It is an even number. You say it when you count by fives. If you are counting by fives means which one is correct answer? We will get when you count by fives. Fives in the count maddaga namage 50 sigutte. So this is the 50 is the right answer. Okay. Next, solve more from left to right. Here observe it children. 23 minus 3. 23 minus 3 how much children? Yes, observe it. 23 minus 3. 3 minus 3? Yes, 0. 3 minus 3? 0. Like this 2 only, right. Now if you are adding this plus means we should add for 30. Now here you should go plus. Plus means you should write plus and 0 plus 0, 0. 2 plus 3, 5. Yes, First we should subtraction symbol is there, no? Minus means we should subtract. Plus means we should add. If you are subtracting these two numbers means we will get 20. Then 20 plus 30, how much we will get? 50. Right here? 50. Got it, children? Is it very simple? Just you have to think and write. Now here another one, second one, 54 plus 6. 54 plus 6 means add it. 4 plus 6, yes, 10, carry 1, 5 plus 1, 6. If you are adding these two numbers, we will get 60. Okay, adding these two numbers, we will get 60. Next, minus 10. Now, 60 minus 10. Now, write here, 60 minus 10. Now, subtract it. 0 minus 0, 0. 6 minus 1, 5. Here also we will get 50. If you are adding minus 10 means 60 minus 10, 50. Right here 50. Next, seventh one. Sort these numbers into two groups. 21, 34, 70, 87, 93, 32, 56, 45, 93, 18. What concept did you use? Yes, you have to sort these numbers even or odd, ascending order or descending order. First, let us sort these numbers in two types also we will sort these numbers. First, we will sort even and odd. See, even numbers. What are these? In this one, which one is even numbers? Yes, 34. Right here, 34 is the even and 70 is the even number. And here, 32 is the even number. 56 is the even number. And 18 is the even number. Got it, children? Now, odd numbers. Which one is odd numbers? Right here, 21 and 87, 93 and here is 45 and next 93. These are the even number and odd number. Now, shall we write these numbers in ascending order? Yes, ascending order means smallest to the greatest. Now observe which one is smallest numbers in this one. Think, children. Tell me now which one is smallest number. Yes, 18 is the smallest number. Now we write 18. 18 after 21. 21 after, yes, 21 after 32. Right here 32. 32 after 34. 34 after number is, yes, right here 45. 45 after number is 56. 56 after, yes, you are correct, 70. 70 after number is 87. 87 after number is 93. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 numbers are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Another one number missing. Which one is missing? Observe it, children. Yes, 56, 70 and 87, 93. Oh, two times they are given 93. Okay, right here, correct. This is correct. Now descending order. Descending order is very simple. Ascending order means smallest to the greatest number. Descending order means greatest to the smallest number. Let us write like this only. 93, 87, 70, 56, 45, 34, 32, 21 and 18. This is the descending order. Understood, children? Ascending order and descending order. Yes. Last one. In a pictograph, each symbol tree represents 2. What is the value of 10 such symbols? Yes, each tree symbols represents 2. See like this. What is the value of 10? 10 trees are there means we will do multiplication. Okay, 2 zeros are 0, 2 ones are 2. Like this, each tree represents 2 means such tree. What is the value of 10 trees means 10 twos are 20. Like this, you have to do this. Next, insert greater or lesser or equal sign. 1 month or 1 month are 4 weeks and 2 days. 1 month means how many days are there? 30 days. So 4 weeks and 2 days. 1 month means 30 or 31 days. 4 weeks and 1 day it will come. Now 2 days means it will only 1 day is greater, no? So you have to write here greater symbol like this. A leap year has how many days? 366 days. Here ordinary year has 365 days. Which number is greater? Yes, 366 is the greatest number. So you have to write here greater symbol. Greater symbol means it will shows crocodile mouth is very big, no? Like this always greater symbol shows bigger number sides only. So 366 is greater than 365. Now 52 weeks and a leap year. 52 weeks means that is 365 days only it will come. A leap year has 366 days. Which one is greater? Yes, a leap year is only greater. So you have to write here greater than symbol, leap year side only. Count the number of shapes and write their numbers. Here they are given some shapes in your textbook. Some shapes in your textbook. You have to count and write the numbers. What number, how many triangles, how many squares and how many circles are there. You have to count and write their numbers. Let us count. Here triangle is there. You have to write here 2 triangles like this. Here count it. This is 1 triangle. Another one is 2. And here is also another one triangle is there. 3. 1, 2, 3. How many triangles are there? 3 triangles. You have to write here 3 triangles. Now another shape. Next shape is square. How many squares are there? Let us count it. This is 1 square. Another 1 square. Second. And this is also 3rd square. After that you have to write here. This is 2nd square. No, here I will write 2nd square. 2nd square. And 3rd square. This is 1st square. 3rd after here also you can identify this. Another 1 square. 4th. 5th. Here also 6. And here also 7. How many squares are there? Yes children, you are correct. 7 squares are there. Now here some circles are there. Let us count it. How many circles are there? Yes, this is 1 circle. Here is another 1 circle. And here is 3. Now how many circles are there children? 3 circles are there. See, write in your textbook. Textbook also and in your classwork also. I hope everybody understood this chapter, patterns and critical thinking. Okay, everybody write in your classwork neatly and textbook also you have to complete it. In your textbook they are given another 2 sums. No need to write these 2 sums in your classwork. Just you understood this in your textbook only. Kamal is 7th in a line of 10 students in the school cafeteria. Circle the position of Kamal. Kamal is 7th in a line of 10 students. There are 10 students in a line. So Kamal is in 7th. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7th place. How many students are there in front of her? Yes, and in front of her how many students are there? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 students are there in front of her. For this question, 6. How many students are waiting for after her? After her, how many students? 1, 2, 3. Here is 3 students. Here she is Kamal. She is in 7th place. Understood children? Kamal is in 7th place. Before her, 6 students are there. After her, 3 students are there. This one no need to write in your classwork. Just to do it in your textbook only. Next 9th sum. Minty is standing in a line. There are 2 children in front of her and there are 3 children waiting after her. Yes, Minty is standing in a line. She is Minty. There are 2 children in front of her. 1, 2. In front of her, 2 children are there. And then there are 3 children waiting after her. After her, 1, 2, 3 children. 3 children after her. Circle the position of Minty. Which one is circle position of Minty? See, this is the position of Minty. Got it, children? Yes. This is also pictograph 10 into 2. Here 2 is there. 10 into 2 equals 20. Right here 10 2s are 20. Already I showed this, explained in your classwork. I hope everybody understood this chapter. Thank you, children.